Alright, we got our sawmill. Can't wait to play. So we got some track extensions here, so I can do 16-foot logs, 16-foot long. Got a 5-pack blades for hardwood. So we can cut some hardwood. Right. So yeah, I'm gonna open this up a little bit, give you guys a little peek. So here's the nice new shiny blades, a 5-pack. I think it was like 125 bucks, something like that. I can't remember. Oh, they look nice and sharp for right now. Yeah, the track extensions, nice and heavy. Nice and heavy. I'm not going to unbox that part yet because we're nowhere close to it. Oh, come in a nice crate. Free crate. Woohoo! Packed pretty nice. Ooh, we got some more boxes. Boxes with boxes. There's the heart. Let's keep unwrapping. Alright. We got the up and downy pieces right next to each other. That was convenient. I don't know if the hoist, we'll figure out what it's called when we open the destructions. And we got a box of hardware. Awesome. Alright, some safety stuff. Nice gloves. Oh, some earplugs. Gotta get started. Alright, we got some straps. Oh, the coolant tank. Oh, with the help of Hippie Chick, we got that heavy bastard on the wagon. Phew, that's got to be at least a couple 100 pounds. Yeah. It's way heavier than it looks. Alright, we got one more box. Looks like the rest of the track. The main frame. Alright, we got her all unboxed. Well, uncrated.
I'm going to have to put his cage back together.
What are you going to do with that cage?
Put you in it.
I'll strap you on that. Looks like a perfect place for you. Oh, yeah. All the parts are in the barn, cozy and safe from the weather. Oh, I got some projects going on. Got to get this thing put together. Got toolbox put together. Oh, got some more junk to organize and get rid of. Starting to get some ducks in a row. Got to tinker on Brooke's bike. But yeah, we'll get this together. Oh, then I got to build a trailer for the sawmill. Oh boy, yeah. But yeah, there'll be some rainy day projects. It's been too nice out. Yeah, the sun's shining. So we're getting all the springtime stuff done 2 months in advance. So that's freaking awesome. So, yep, as soon as it starts raining, we're going to start building.